Is your wood so wet that it's creating ripples in your furniture? No problem. I'm going to show you how to dry your wood. This table is definitely real wood. It is heavy, and it's not like particle board heavy. It's like real nice wood heavy. Okay, let's see if you guys can see it. This is just the top of the table. And these are the legs, and all 4 legs were with it. They screw in the bottom, but I'm going to be refinishing it anyway, so if I'm going to be refinishing it, no point in putting the legs on just to show you how to do this. So there's the leg. And then let me show you the front. It's so cool. Okay, so check this action out. It's got this beautiful drawer right here, and then all this stuff, and then the legs, they go right here. So I mean, I could not resist getting this table. The problem is right here. It's bumpy. Let me see if I can zoom you in so you can see it. Oh, you are zoomed in. Oh, no, you're not. Wrong way. Okay. So, I don't know. I know you can see... Little kitty getting in my way. I know you can see that it's scratched right here, but if you look really close, and I'll kind of just move it around in the light, you'll be able to see that it's got, like, bumpiness going on. And that bumpiness is the wood retaining water. What we are going to do about this is use a heat gun to get rid of the wetness, the dampness in the wood. And you can get a heat gun at Walmart for, I mean, I think the one, oh, my dog is so silly. Come here, Foxy. You can get a heat gun at Walmart for like less than 20 bucks. So it's like a really good investment. Maybe it was 20 bucks, I don't even know. But awesome investment. I've used the heat gun to dry out wood. I use it to dry my chalk paint, though you have to be very, very, very careful or it will start to bubble up. So I would suggest a blow dryer for the chalk paint, but here we go. Oh, hey, also, you might notice that my hair color is different. It's not my real hair, it's a wig. And let me know in the comments what you think of this wig, just because I want to know, because I'm going through a midlife crisis, you know, so I got to change my hair up. All right, let's go. So this heat gun here, just kind of show you, this is where the heat comes out of. We'll not be turning that on near the camera. Then you've just got this little thing here. It sits down like this. It doesn't sit, it's not like a hot glue gun. I am so proud of myself. So I set this thing down after the first time I used it on a tarp. And I set it down like that. Right after, you know, face hot part down, right after using it for like a good 10 minutes. And then I smelled something, and then I saw that the tarp was melting to the heat gun. So always make sure and put your heat gun down like this. Okay, I know I'm leaning into the thing. I don't know, I'm a little silly sometimes. So here we go. Let's get this done before you guys get sick of me and my family gets sick of me taking up the living room to do this. So hang on. Here we go. We're gonna turn it on. It's got 2 different settings, and this heat gun is made by Wagner. No, not a sponsored video. Wagner, if you're watching this, you could sponsor me. I'm happy to, whatever. But anyway, it's made by Wagner, and I like it. It's got 2 settings, so let's get it going. I'm going to put it on the highest setting because this wood is still rippled up a lot. And all we're going to do is take and run the heat gun across the wood that is bubbled up. So let me zoom you in. Go. I want to heat gun my hair because it probably melt. You don't want to do this to like dry your curls or anything. So here we go. Getting some over here. Let you see that one. So over here. There's this one that needs to be done, and you want to just whoa, that is not focusing. Okay, oh, it's because I'm moving. All right, sorry, it keeps going out of focus. I can't help it. Let me see if I can make it go to the heat gun. Okay, there we go. For anybody that does YouTube videos as well or uses a camera, the way I got this to not be blurry is by holding the heat gun still and then just pushing on my camera screen, and it selected the heat gun, so now it's going to follow the heat gun everywhere. I have a Canon 80D, if you're wondering. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of do it. Ooh, that one went flat. Ooh, this one over here, it got hot. I can be making some pancakes on this thing. Maybe even some cookies, boil an egg, whatever. Cook an egg. What do they do with eggs? They fry an egg. You fry an egg. Here. Put a little hair of that on my face. I know, it probably seems like every time you see me, every time you see me I have like a new hair color, and the rest of them weren't wigs. I just was changing my hair all the time. Okay, so pretty much all you do is you go over it and then kind of turn it off, set it down the right way, and then you just kind of let it chill for a minute. Let it chill, and then feel it after it is cooled off. And if you need to do it a little bit more to get the ridges out, the lumps out, the ruffles have ridges out, then just do it a little bit more. But wait until it cools off first, and then you'll be set. Alright, so I kind of a short video, but that's pretty much it. All you do is hold the heat gun over the area, swinging it back and forth. Don't just put it straight on it. That would be really bad. Hold your heat gun over the area, going back and forth over it. Wait till it dries, feel your surface, and if it feels smooth, then you're done with that spot. And kind of if you have a lot of spots, just go over those spots, simultaneously while you're letting one cool off, do the next one. But that's it. If you got value out of this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. If you didn't get value, hit the thumbs down button. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It would really help my channel out if you do like the video. I do post videos every week. This is Vlogmas, so Merry Vlogmas. I will be posting daily videos. I started that about 2 days ago. I missed the first couple days of December. I can't keep track of time these days, guys, seriously. But anyway, you guys have a great day. Thank you for watching, and peace out.